at University of Michigan Dearborn. Learning is doing, and tomorrow's leaders start today. Continually ranked among the top regional universities in the Midwest. With over 100 majors across 4 colleges, we move beyond textbooks to solve real-world problems and build stronger communities. Through small class sizes, supportive instructors, and practice-based learning, we empower students with the experience they need for careers that make a difference. With one of the world's largest alumni networks, we're a family of Wolverines that span the globe. We're committed to keeping a world-class education affordable and accessible. Ranked as a top performer in social mobility in Michigan, we provide students with the momentum they need to reach new economic heights. See what doors will open with the power of a Michigan degree. Put your dreams in practice at University of Michigan Dearborn. For more information, visit umdearborn.edu.